July 4th. Liang Sue, a daughter. Her elderly mother, one demand for crack money and one call to 911. What neither of them knew. One number would turn this domestic call into a felony case.
What's going on?
Very violent, throwing things around.
Very violent. So what happened?
I refused to give her money to go get crack. So she got mad at me and she wants the car. No, you're not going to have the car. Remember last time she took the car, she didn't come till the next day. And I'm sorry, I'm fed up already. She started hitting me. TV remote, everything on the floor. I don't know what she's doing now.
Did she like punch you or did she push you?
Punch me.
Punch you? Where she hit you at?
Here. But that's okay. I'll be all right.
You ready?
Inside.
What happened?
I remember you.
You remember now?
Okay, so why are we here?
Because she called.
Okay, well there seems to have been a problem. What is the problem?
Okay, so you tell me the problem. She called. You tell me the problem.
Is that how you want this to go, or you want to like be an adult and tell me the wires and all those wires?
I've been beaten up for 23 years. This bitch left me there. What do you want to talk about?
Left you where?
She called.
Well, you the one that just brought up being beaten for 23 years, so you tell me.
She called.
Okay.
You asked her why she left.
I already asked her why we're here. She told
Okay,
me.
and you asked her why she left me there.
Left you where?
I just told you.
No, you said she left you somewhere. You didn't say where.
Oh no, she left me in an apartment right above her for 23 fucking years.
Okay, how old are you?
Well,
I was 29 when I met the asshole.
Let's do it later.
It's not your
Okay, so you were an adult.
Talk about it later.
She doesn't think I'm an adult.
Why doesn't she think you're an adult?
Because she wants me off my antipsychotic, she wants me off everything. That doesn't work like that.
Eso era por todo.
She made me mental. And now I live in prison. So you ask her. Because I have absolutely no desire to talk to you. Don't like cops, don't want to be around them, so I'm done.
Okay.
How's that?
Well, not so good. So, we've already been told that because of the altercation, I guess she said that she didn't want to be the car. Or
No, she hit me with a boot. See that boot?
The rubber boot?
Yeah.
He threw it.
So if she wants to interrupt, just go talk to her.
Well, she already told me her side. I'm just trying to get your side.
I don't have a side. And
You
he
don't have a
already
side?
has a fucking solution, and he looks all about 20. So,
You want to come out here or you want us to bring you out?
no, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, okay. I guess we're doing that way.
Don't make any more trouble. Let's just go outside.
For what?
Come on. Stand up. Stand up.
She wants us out now. Just throwing
Ma'am,
us
just go
out.
outside real quick, please.
Huh?
Wait outside, please.
I'm not going anywhere. I didn't do anything.
Stand up and come the easy way, or it will not be fun.
Okay, so the person that calls is the person you
You got
listen
3
to?
seconds. You got 3 seconds.
Just
Stand
come
up.
outside. Come on. Just let's go talk outside. We don't have to do this here. Let's go outside and talk. Okay? Can we do that?
No.
I'm going to count to 3.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay. Come on.
I'm not going
go.
fucking anywhere.
Let's go.
Ow!
Stop fucking resisting.
Stop fucking hitting me!
The victim's injuries were visible on arrival, punch marks, a thrown TV remote, a rubber boot used as a weapon. The daughter gave officers hostility, 23 years of personal grievances, and a declaration she was done talking. Officers gave her multiple exits anyway. She declined each one. On camera, what followed the physical removal was lawful, authorized by a documented domestic call, a named victim with visible injuries, and a subject who refused every voluntary option. In the vehicle, she continued. She accused officers of striking her. Every word was recorded. She was not under custodial interrogation during the removal. But she kept talking voluntarily, Every statement made from that point forward is admissible in court. Mental health history and medication status are not affirmative defenses to battery. They are factors for sentencing, not for conviction. Every opportunity to stop talking was available to her. She did not use a single one.
Let's scoot.
I got it.
I need my shoes.
We'll get you shoes. Come on.
You fucking hit me, you bastard.
Don't fight.
No, come on. Come on, let's go.
Are you gonna walk?
I'll get you shoes.
No, you won't.
Do I have to carry you like a toddler?
Stop. I'm not don't touch me.
Let's go.
You already
Come on,
fucking hit me.
I did.
Yeah. What are you taking her?
Jail.
See? You see what you did?
You need
That
medication.
medication jail.
No, they
I'll be
don't.
right back.
Put your shoes on.
We'll
He
get her-
wouldn't fucking give them to
Grab
me.
her shoes, please.
Please.
3 about 2. I gotta wait till my 17. You can start being a supervisor up to use the force.
Stop, we're not doing that. Let's go.
Stop fucking hitting me.
No one hit you. We're pushing you.
No, you fucking hit me in my
did.
tit.
No, that didn't happen. I hit you in the face.
Oh, fuck you.
Off your head. Hey. Hello. Can you? Hey.
She's breathing. She's playing games.
I know. Hey. Come on. Sit up. You're resisting against me. I know you're awake.
Leave me alone.
Okay, I need you to turn around.
No,
because-
you don't.
Yes, I do. You're not sitting properly. Come on. Bring your leg out. We're going to fix you in the chair. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
You already fucking hit it. Leave me
on.
alone.
Come on. Come on. Put your leg on the ground. Come on. We got to fix you. Come on. Come on. Step out. Turn around. Sit down. Sit in there. Come on. Let's go. Can you sit in back in the chair? Come on. Grab my gloves. Come on. Come on.
Ow, you fuck!
Get in the car. Do not kick me. You will get another charge. You understand me? Get in the car. Come on. Step in and get in the car. Sit normally. Sit back. No, we're not doing that. Can you behave?
Get these off!
Lean back. Face away from me. No. Sit normally. Gotta have you sitting back for your own safety.
Fuck
Okay.
you! No fucking safety. You fucking hit me. You took me to a hospital. Dick. Alright, I got handcuffs on, you asshole!
You gonna lean back?
I am leaning back!
Why are you leaning back?
It's okay, hon. It's alright. It's okay.
He hit me! Both of them!
Hold on. No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
No, listening to you, that's it.
We gotta fix the seatbelt on her anyway. It's behind her back.
Can you try and fix it? I need a picture of you. I just got back up.
That's
All right,
because
lean
you
back
don't
for-
know how to put a fucking seatbelt
It was on
on.
in front of you. Can you lean
Yeah.
back? Lean back.
Whatever you. Ow!
All right, I'll go this way. Lean forward. Oh, you did take it off.
I didn't take fucking shit off. I got handcuffs on.
Oh, please stay in the car. There you
Fucking
go.
pushing me.
Well, you gotta leave the seatbelt on the way it's supposed
You
to be
didn't
on.
put it on right, asshole.
The camera, it said it was. Sorry, you want a picture of her standing up?
Yeah.
No? Okay. All right.
Ow!
Ow. You're standing here.
Yeah, I know.
Don't go nowhere.
He's fucking pulling me.
All right. Just stay right
He
there.
hit me in my foot.
right.
He hit me in my chest.
Okay, we're gonna write it up. It's fine.
No, you're not gonna do shit.
Go take a seat, okay?
All right, have a seat.
Take a seat, take a seat. Get that AC going real cold.
So you drag me out for
You need to
what?
get back. Hon, you need to get back in the car. Come on.
Lift your legs up.
Come on.
Lift your legs up. There you go. Good job.
Fuck you.
Okay. Can you lean back for me, please? I gotta put the seatbelt on.
No, not that way.
He's fucking touching me.
We're trying to put your seatbelt on. Stop. Can you lean back? I can't fit around you.
I can't. I got handcuffs on.
Alright, well, you gotta lean back so you can put the seatbelt on.
I
Oh,
can't.
Yeah, no.
Fucking moron.
All right. Good, lean back for me. Lean back.
Ow!
Lean back. Pick your arms up and lean back. We gotta buckle you in. Come on. Lean back.
Get! You're choking me!
Literally buckling you in.
No! You're
See?
fucking choking me!
Lean back. There you go.
Ow!
Seatbelt's on.
Take her to jail.
Yep.
Throw her out here.
He hit me!
I'll do the paper.
Why? What'd she say?
Keep trying to put her head against
It's cool! Do you see me fucking sweating?
Was she hitting her head?
No, she's throwing her throat against this and
She's
throwing her legs
fucking
over it.
imagining shit.
Alright, you ready to go?
Cool!
We gotta go though. You ready?
Go fuck
We'll
yourself.
put the AC on real cold in the car.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
So exactly why am I here?
Getting back to clear for jail. So we're gonna go to
So
jail.
no one saw me. No one.
Come on, argue right here. You can talk around the car though.
No, I want a fucking doctor.
Come
You
on.
can talk to the doctor.
Ow!
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Get your flip flops.
Why don't you fucking throw them at me again? I'm not fucking medically cleared.
Sure you are.
Fuck you. Get your hands fucking off of me.
We have to hold you, make sure you don't fall.
Really?
Ooh, that had hurt.
You told that.
Oh.
So you're prolonging everything now. Can you pull it back in so it's back on the track?
You can't even do that. Fucking waste of time.
Oh. Come on.
Stop!
Walk.
I can't breathe!
What do you mean you can't breathe? You're yelling. You're breathing fine.
Really?
That's how it works.
Okay, so I'm not having a fucking panic attack.
Okay. Hang on, Mark. Hang on. Alrighty. Go ahead and have a seat.
Can you loosen these?
Yeah, once you sit in the car.
They're loose, man.
No, they're not.
Sit in
Just
the
sit
car.
down. Put your feet in the car.
They're gonna slide off.
Oh no.
Oh, you
Here is the number that changed the legal trajectory of this case. The victim was 65 years old. Under Florida Statute 784, Section 2A, battery against a victim 65 years of age or older is not a misdemeanor. It is a third-degree felony up to 5 years in prison. The same punch, the same remote, the same boot. One victim, 65 years old. That is 5 years in prison, per count. She was also charged with resisting without violence. Florida Statute 843.02, First-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. The two sentences run separately. The crack money was never obtained. The felony charge was 2 charges, 2 separate sentences, both documented on camera. Officers, grade A, they arrived to a credible call with an injured victim. They gave the subject multiple chances to cooperate voluntarily. They documented every step before applying force. Under Graham versus Connor, 490, United States, 386. 1,989. Officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision made here survives that standard. The daughter, grade D. She assaulted her 65-year-old mother over drug money. She resisted a lawful arrest. She made false claims of excessive force on a camera that did not stop recording once. Florida Statute 784 makes a victim's age a statutory aggravator. She did not commit a misdemeanor. She committed a third-degree felony and spent 13 minutes building the prosecution's case herself. One lesson from this footage: the right to remain silent is a constitutional protection. It was available to her for 13 minutes. She never used it once. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment: what sentence should she receive?